last video. So in the latest one, we talked about our experience in the Salt Lake Desert, got stuck with a car, and finally managing to get to Marzia's parents' house and enjoying traditional food and celebrations there. And where I actually helped to prepare show dessert.
But what is it, show dessert, and how does it taste like?
Okay, so we are testing a traditional Persian dessert. The name is a show dessert. It has rice, saffron, and cardamom.
And cinnamon.
And cinnamon.
And probably a little bit of coconut as well. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
So we'll try that. It's really good. Sweet. Feel the rice, the saffron, and then the sweetness.
But our journey in Iranian food doesn't finish here. We just arrived to Shiraz, we were waiting for our host, and we were stopped by an ice cream shop. What happened was that the owner of the ice cream shop started offering us some of the food that they were preparing, some of the ice cream, but also a local specialty that is called falude. Check out what it is and how it's created.
So this is syrup sugar that goes into the refrigerator, into the freezer with the ice. Syrup sugar. Syrup sugar, okay. And then it gets put into the ice and it becomes falude.
Yes,
That is this one that goes with lemon juice put on the falude, which is an ice cream.